guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So first I'm starting by filing down the nails because I don't want to take these nails off. I'm just going to put my new design over these nails. I'm going to file these nails as thin as I can using my e-file. In a lot of my videos, people ask me what nail drill do I use, and I honestly forget to link it in my description because I can't find the exact one that I use, but I found this one on Amazon that is the exact same drill, just a different brand. So that's basically the one I use. So for this nail set, we are doing, okay, hold on. I was trying to do a galaxy ombre, the galaxy colors, but an ombre. Tell me why these nails turned out unicorn. I don't know what I was thinking in my head, thinking that these colors were galaxy. Galaxy colors are hot pink, dark purple, and dark blue. Why did I use pastels? I don't know. I don't know either. Yeah, so these nails are unicorn colors. But at least they're ombre, so I can show you guys how to ombre with polygel. So in my last video, I told you guys that I would answer some of your questions that you left in the comments, and yes, I'm answering them. I'm answering your questions, and in celebration of hitting 200 subscribers. Guys, we just hit 100 subscribers in the last video, and now I'm coming back and telling you we hit 200. So in honor of hitting 200 subscribers, I'm gonna be throwing in some comments, some of your guys' comments throughout this video. So stay tuned and watch this whole video to see if your comment is in here somewhere. Can you do comment shoutouts or something like that? Yes, I'm doing that right now. Can you show us how you file tips and polygel? Love your videos. Thank you so much. I appreciate you so much. And basically in this video, I don't add any tips because I already have a nail underneath. But in my other videos, I do show how I file tips, but I don't really explain it. So I guess in my next videos, I can definitely explain more of how I hold the file to file my tips. So after the nails have been filed down and lightly shaped, I am pushing back my cuticles, cutting my cuticles, and basically doing nail prep, but on that tiny little grown out part of my natural nail. What made you start doing nails? I do them for fun, but too scared to do a channel for it. First of all, start a channel. Start a channel. You'll never know if you're gonna like doing YouTube unless you start it. So I'm just saying, give it a try. And don't be scared. Who cares what people think? If you think it's fun, if you want to do a channel and you think it's fun, then do it. Do what you want to do. Don't not do something because someone else is, because you're scared of what other people think, okay? Basically, what made me start doing nails was my older sister had a kit of press-on nails from Kiss that you get from Walmart. I basically took that kit and then started gluing nails, and instantly I was like, okay, I'm inspired. Like, I want to do nails. So I just added some primer and dehydrator. And now I'm gonna go in with my Model 1's base coat. I can't find my Makartt base coat, but they're honestly the same thing. So I'm just adding on a layer of base coat over the entire nail. Now I am using my soft pink from Model 1's, and I am using that as the pink of my galaxy, but it's not galaxy. But look how nice Model 1's polygel blends. It is so nice, and you'll see the difference between this Model 1's and Makartt. Model 1's is just so much easier to blend. And when you're doing an ombre, you're definitely going to want to start from the top to the bottom. On my thumb, I started from the bottom to the top because I was like, what's the difference from starting from the bottom to the top? It's a big difference. So I'm back again mixing my polygels. I just took a little bit of white and purple and mixed that together for my galaxy purple. That's not galaxy because I made it pastel, which is unicorn colors. You see that nice blend I had with that pink color? I add the purple and there's no more that pink ombre. There's no more of that pink blend. It's covered from the purple now. Definitely start from the top to the bottom. You'll see on my other nails, there's a big difference. When you're blending polygel, you definitely need to, you need to pat the polygel in place where you want it. And then once you have it in the right place, you want to take that edge that isn't like smoothed over the entire nail and you just want to blend it out. You kind of want to have a light hand when you do this, similar to acrylic if you've seen acrylic videos when they do ombres. But this Makartt polygel is very stiff, so it took a little bit more pressure to really like spread it out. Now I'm mixing this blue color. Put that at the tip of my nail and I'm blending that down into the purple. Like if you look closely, you'll see like that blend is not, it's just not very good. It's a little bit like patchy, I guess, but still not horrible because polygel is kind of hard to blend, so you definitely need some practice when it comes to ombreing polygel. Did you know you can do a polygel pedicure? I've been trying, but it's not working out. I've been doing my pedicures with polygel. They last so long. I've used gel polish and then it chips, you know, like after a week. But using polygel, they last more than a month sometimes. I would do a video for you guys, but I'm not one to put my feet on the internet. What made you want to start doing nails? I answered that before. What made me want to start a YouTube channel? Basically, my older sister, we made a YouTube channel, not me and her, but I was kind of like the editor and she was kind of the face of the channel. We would do vlogs. I kind of started YouTube with her channel, but I wasn't like in the YouTube channel. I was just editing the videos. And then I just felt like, I don't know, I should be doing something with YouTube, not just editing the videos for her to post. I just kind of felt it, you know what I mean? I know that might be a little strange, but I just kind of felt like I should be doing YouTube. And I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna post a nail video. So I got my channel all set up, made my channel name, put some channel art. How old am I? I am 16 years old. Are you going to nail school? No, I'm just going to regular high school. It's summer break for me. I'm about to be a junior in high school, so I'm not going to any crazy nail school or anything like that, just regular high school. What was your favorite nail set you've done? I've done this set, which I've done a few months ago for my birthday, and this set turned out so nice. And I also really liked this glow in the dark set because those nails were so long and I love long nails. They were double tipped, glow in the dark. Oh my god, so nice. Could you do a nail haul, like all the supplies you use or how you started doing nails? Okay, so I want to do a nail haul, but I kind of need to stop buying nail products. I spend a little bit too much on nails and I need to take a little break for now. Until I like actually start running out of stuff, I can't buy anything. I actually need to calm down. Thursday's video is actually going to be everything you need to start doing polygel nails. So that video is going to be up on Thursday. Can you give any tips on how to freehand? I hope you mean by freehanding the polygel like using nail tips, right? Using nail tips or nail form. Some tips that would be good to know is always clean around the cuticle consistently. You want to do it in sections. If you're a little nervous to do it in like one big glob of polygel, just do it in sections. You can do the tip and then the cuticle area. That gives you a lot more control because you can just focus on the tip and then you can focus on the cuticle. As you're ombreing the nail, make sure after each color you cure it in the nail lamp, because if you don't cure it and then you go in with your second color, it's just going to move around the first color and you're not going to have an ombre. It's going to be a complete mess. So please cure it after each color. after the nails are finally done, I'm going to take my clear Makartt polygel and encapsulate all of the nails. If you do an ombre, you need to clear cap your nails or else you can't file your nails. It'll just ruin the ombre that you just worked so hard doing. So yeah, you need to clear cap your nails. It is an extra step that is kind of, time consuming when it comes to polygel, but it will ensure that you can actually shape your nails. Here are how the nails look after they've been clear capped, and now I'm just taking some alcohol and wiping down that sticky layer from the nails. Now I am buffing the nails with my 180 grit nail file. This is a finer grit, so it works for the buffing, and it removes all those really bad white scratches in the nails. Here are the nails after they've been filed, shaped, and buffed. I've decided to add some pearls to this look. I'm just taking my Makartt top coat, and on my ring finger I painted a thin layer of top coat on the nail and placed on the pearls. Now I am adding top coat to the rest of the nails. Basically, if you commented on my last video, I probably added your comment into this video. I just want to thank you guys so much again for 200 subscribers, and I basically want to do comment shout outs in my next videos. So make sure you comment on this video and your comment might be in my next video. And I always go through my comments and I reply to you guys. So if you have any questions, I'll definitely answer you in the comments. And to finish off this look, I am adding cuticle oil. And here are how the nails turned out. These nails turned out way better than I expected. Before the clear cap, I was kind of iffy on these nails. I wasn't really sure if they were going to look good. You can tell my thumb is a different color from the rest of the nails, but we're going to ignore that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment. I hope this video helped you with your ombres, and I'll see you guys next time.